VSevolution is a cloud-based app which will allow users to quickly discover trending, breakout and low competition phrases that they can quickly rank for at the top of Google, at the top of YouTube. Now on top of that, users can also extract all of the ranking factors, all of the ranking details they need in order to rank their videos. And these factors are extracted from successful videos, so videos that already exist. Essentially, it's copy and swiping those details to use in your own campaigns. And lastly, for those who don't have their own videos and don't have the skills or applications to make new videos, we've included 2 video makers. So in this quick demonstration video, I'm going to take you through the app and show you how it works. So in order to create a new campaign, we simply click here, we name it, we'll call this one diet. We enter a seed keyword or phrase here and then change these filters here so we can search through different country searches. We can choose a time period. I'm going to set this time period as 30 days and we can choose what kind of search the application carries out for you. So I'm just going to select web search and then click search now. Now you can see that the software is searching the web based on the keyword diet, United States, and for the last 30 days. And you can see here that it shows you some of the results and it also shows you long tail results which are related to the main keyword here. Now in category, users can instantly see the phrases that are growing in popularity over this time period. So for example, this keyword here has grown 2,200% in the last 30 days. If you come across breakout, what that means is that this phrase has grown in popularity by over 5,000% in the last 30 days or whatever period that you've entered here in the filter. And then under difficulty rank, you can see that we have a color-coded scoring system. So anything that's colored green is going to be relatively easy to rank for. So if we chose this keyword, for example, we can see that it has over 5,000% increase in search in popularity in the last 30 days, and it's also going to be relatively easy to rank for. So you can instantly see the kind of phrases that you're going to be able to rank for very quickly, and by using a combination of the two, so growth in popularity and low competition, easy to rank, we know that we're going to be able to rank a video for this phrase or one of these phrases, and it's going to be popular, i.e. it's going to get lots and lots of views. Now just so I can show you here, so we have the green that scored 10. Blue is medium, so it's not going to be as easy as a green to rank for, and obviously red is going to be a lot harder to rank for. So if we were to say easy, medium, difficult. So for this example, I'm going to choose this one here, and the next step is to click search video data. Now this is where we extract the data for our own videos. So if we already have a number of videos in this niche, we can take all of that data and then we can use it in those videos. So let's scroll down here and let's say that I wanted to use that one there and that one there. So all I need to do is click on the videos that I want to extract from, do that, and here I can export all of the data. For example, if I do have a lot of videos in this niche and I don't want to make additional videos, all I need to do is export everything that I've extracted from these 2 videos and click export, and I can download all of that and use that in my own videos. Now if you don't have a video of your own, what you can do is click here, so add video data, and then create a video. Now we have 2 video makers in VSevolution. The first one, as you can see here, is based on images, video, so we can just add these to our timeline. This would be a timeline over here, so you can add as many images as you like. Video results. Now all of these videos are included with VSevolution. There's no copyright infringement, no issues. You can use these in any of your videos. So let's say I add that one there. So we can make a video from a combination of images and video results. And then if I click create video, the next step allows me to add intros, outros, headers, footers. I can add text, I can change the style of text, I can add icons, and I can do all of that from this page here. Then when I'm happy with the look of it, I click continue and preview. The next step is to add audio. So if I click here, you can see that I can add a voiceover to this video if I want to, or if I just want to add audio loops such as background music, I can do that here. So again, all of this is included in the front end of VSE. So let's say I wanted to use this one here. We've added that as a background, and then I simply save and share the video. So you can see the video here, you can preview it here. Now I can upload it directly to YouTube, to Vimeo, and to Tumblr. Now once you've done that, there is one more step which will allow you to syndicate your video across multiple channels. So if I click here, now you can see that the video has been added to YouTube. And if I go back over here, you can see my video there. You can see it's been added to YouTube. And the next step is to add it to your WordPress blog. Now you don't have to do this. This is an optional step. But if you want to, if you have a blog, then you can upload directly to WordPress into a post, so a video post, just by clicking there. Initially, you're going to have to set this up in settings, but it really takes just minutes to do. Now, if you do decide to use this element here, then once you have uploaded to WordPress, you can syndicate that post across multiple channels as well. So that will give you additional traffic, additional exposure. So everything I've shown you there is included in the front end of VSevolution. Now we do have another unique video maker included in the front end of VSevolution. I'm going to show you that next. Now on top of the image and video based video maker, we also have an application that will allow you to turn any website into your own videos. Now all you have to do is select page searches here, pop in the URL, drop that one in there, and define the height. So I'm going to put 1500 and then click submit. And then you can see that the software has grabbed an image, a screenshot of the website. And what this means is we can take cropped images of any part of that website and use them as slides. So you can see here that we have a cropping tool. So we need to just drag that to the element of the website that we want to use and then click crop like so. So we can build up the slides just by cropping images from the actual website. So we can make as many slides as we want and we can turn those into a video. So this is ideal for launch jacking, making videos based around products. And as you can see, it's very, very quick. So once you're happy with the slides are loaded into your timeline over on this side. And we can also add additional images and videos. You can make videos from images, videos, or from actual websites. And you can combine everything if you want to. And then once you're happy with that, you click create video. You can preview it here. And you can also add intros, outros, headers, footers. You can add text, you can change the style of the text, icons, and you can also add audio.